So today we are going to revise for your semester 2 exam. We're going to solve this worksheet, starting by question number 1. Kamel, read.
Given a circle C and AB 2.2 centimeter.
Yes.
Use this figure to fill in the blanks.
So the given is a circle C and a radius which is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Okay? On the figure, we write the given. Clear? If AB is equal to 2.2 centimeter, then EA is equal to what? EA.
4.4.
Segment EA.
2.2.
2.2 also, because both are radii of the same circle, right? So now, Haidar, name the center of C.
The center of C is
Of-
A.
Yes, the center of circle C is A. Muhammad Watfa, name a chord.
CD.
How do we write it?
We make a bracket.
Yes, so we write C, D. Name 3 radii, Sharif.
3 radii.
Yes.
Brackets EA, brackets AB, and brackets AF.
AB and
AF.
AF. So also the length of segment AF is what, Sharif?
No?
The length of segment AF is?
2.2 centimeters.
Yes. Malak, name 2 points on the circumference. So here is the circumference, right? We need to name 2 points.
B and C.
B and C. We can choose D, we can choose E, we can choose F. FD, correct. Name a diameter. Kamel.
The diameter EB.
Okay, so segment EB is the diameter here. Okay. Now, if the radius of this circle is 2.2 centimeter, can I deduce the length of the diameter, Hassan? So the diameter is
4.4
yes. How did you get this result?
centimeter.
Yes. How did you get this result? So the diameter is equal to what? 2.
Miss 2.2 plus 2.2.
What's the rule, Hassan? Not the unit. What's the rule? The diameter is equal to 2 times. How many radii form a diameter? So we have this radius AB and this radius EA, right? Then we form the diameter EB, okay? So 2.2 plus 2.2 is equal to 4.4. So 2R is equal to 4.4. What's the unit now? Centimeter. Okay. Now let's move to the second question. Jad.
Draw a circle of center O and radius OC, where OC is 4 centimeters.
Okay, so we have the center given and the radius given and its length. We put our center O.
We put center O.
Yes.
The line 4 centimeter line.
Okay, so we take our ruler and we measure from here 4 centimeter. Let's assume this is 4 centimeter. We write 4 centimeter. Okay. This is OC. Then we put the needle of the compass here and we draw the circle, right? So we're going to get this circle. Okay? Let's continue. Continue, Jad, reading. Draw, then draw.
Draw a diameter
Yes, AC.
And a chord FG.
And a chord FG. So, since he said AC, so I want also to join this segment with the point C. Okay? يعني this makes me sure that A should be on which side? On the other facing side of C, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we draw A in this way, and this is 4 centimeter, which is equal to this radius 4 centimeter. Our chord, we can draw it like this, or I can draw it like this. This is F, G. I can draw it like this. Okay, so any segment connecting 2 points on the circumference is called a chord. Okay, you are free to draw it in the way that you like. Clear?
Yes.
So now, question number 3. Muhammad Ali, read it, please.
Use the below figure to answer the following questions.
Okay, so I have this figure. We need to answer the questions. First, name what?
Name A. 2 perpendicular lines.
Okay, so name 2 perpendicular lines. Yes.
Line EC.
Yes.
Perpendicular to line AB.
To line A, B. We go and look at the square corner, right? Perpendicular, it means that I have a square corner. So continue measured. 2 parallel lines, it's easy, the ray marks are on the figure. Yes.
AD.
Line AD.
Perpendicular CE.
You're talking about perpendicular lines or parallel lines now? Parallel lines. So line AD is what? It's parallel, yes,
To CE.
to line CE. How do we write CE? It's wrong if you write in this way. AD parallel to CE. This is wrong.
No.
Okay? We should be precise. If it's a line, we use the parentheses because it doesn't have an end point, right? Okay, if it's a segment, we use the brackets. If it's array, it has one end point, so it has one bracket and one parenthesis, right? So now array. Array Haidar.
Array EC.
Array EC. How do you write it?
D.
Right. What's this? A bracket or parenthesis?
Bracket.
Yes. Fix it. Oh, so this is a bracket. Yes. No, this is a segment EC. I want array. So array, it has one end point, right, Haidar?
Yes.
Because we have one end point, so we start by its end point. We put a bracket. From the other side, it's continuing forever. So I have a parenthesis. Okay. We can name many rays. Let's choose another ray. DG, correct, is array. So the D is the end point, and here. Yes. Sharif, name another ray.
FB.
F. B, correct. So we have F, the end point, and B. Okay. Hamad Watfa said AD. Is it correct? Yes, AD is correct. Okay. Now name a line segment, Muhammad Watfa. By turn.
Line segment EC.
EC is a line segment. Yes, so from the straight line EC, he took the line segment EC. So he took only this part from the straight line. What? We can name it CE or EC. It doesn't matter. Only when we name a ray, miss, we are concerned about the endpoint to be where?
In the first.
Yes. Okay?
Or you can write a ray C. It's another ray than EC.
CE. Yes, it's correct also.
Miss DF.
DF. What? You're talking about what now?
Line segment.
Yes, correct. You use brackets and DF. A ray intersecting a line. Sharif.
Ray DG.
Ray D G. Yes. Intersects.
Line EC.
Line EC. Correct.
Oh, teacher.
Yes, Muhammad.
Or we can write line DF.
Line DF. Let me see.
Intersect.
No, it's not a line.
I mean ray DF.
Ray D
Ray DF intersect line AB at F.
intersects which line? Which line?
Line AB.
A B. Correct also. Okay. Do you have any problem?
Miss, can I add one?
Yes, just.
AD intersects
Wait. Ray A.
Ray AD
Yes.
intersects straight line FB.
Straight line what?
FB.
F B. Correct. They intersect where? At F B. Now let's move to question number 4. We need to draw what?
An R intersect
Line. Yes.
R intersecting line P Q at A.
Okay. So can you draw it? So using our ruler for sure, we draw line MR. Yes. Okay. PQ where? At A. Okay. Now Kamil, come please. Read.
A, B, C, and C collinear points.
Okay. So A, B. What do you mean by collinear points, Kamil?
3 points on the same line.
3 points.
Lie
Yes.
on the same line.
So he used his ruler. So we have here A, B.
It is supposed to be on.
Question number 5. Now, yes, Hassan. Arrange the numbers from greatest to least.
First, 12.31.
Yes, so 12.31 is the greatest number. Then
12.3.
12.3.
12.03.
Yes. Then
6.81.
yes.
6.8.
Okay. Now Jad, part B. Come on, from greatest to least.
Miss, 1.22.
1.22 is the greatest number. Yes. Move
1.21.
to 1.21.
1.0.
1.0.
1.2. I mean 1.02.
No, 1 point. We have 2 here.
1.2.
We have 0 here. So 1.2 is greater than 1.02. Yes.
Then 1.02.
Yes.
1.002.
Okay. So the least number is 1.002. Now question number 6. We need to round this number.
Complete the table. Round to the nearest tenth and round to the nearest hundred.
Yes.
And the number is 2.2341. To
Okay.
the nearest tenth.
Where is the
we see
tenth
where
place?
The tenth,
Yes.
And the tenth is 2.
Yes.
Nearest is 3.
Yes, we look at the number.
We put the 10, if we want to do anything to it, and we just turn all the numbers, zero, and we write 2.2.
Okay. 2.2.
Yes.
So 3 is less than 5, so we don't add 1 to the 10th place. Majid.
To the nearest hundred.
Yes.
2.23.
Where's the 100th place?
3.
Yes, so 3 is in the 100th place. 4 is less than 5, so we don't add.
Anything.
Yes. So 2, 3. Okay? Now let's move to the word problems. Haidar, read.
Each bottle of orange juice contains 8.4 ounce of juice. If Helen buys 3 bottles, how many fluid ounces of juice will she get
In total. Okay, continue, Haidar.
Equation 8.4 times 3 equals 25.2.
Okay, so instead of adding 3 times, I can multiply by 3. How do we multiply by a decimal? So we consider the decimal as if it was a whole number. We have 3. 3 times 4 is 12.
3 times 8, 24.
Yes, plus 1.
25.
Okay, we have only one decimal place, so we move 1 time. The answer is 25.2 fluid ounces of juice. Okay?
Yes.
Madrid.
A factory makes 6.9 kilograms
Of pumpkin.
pumpkin
Per minute. So,
how much?
1 minute, 6.9 kilograms. Continue.
How many kilograms of flour filling could the factory make in 3 minutes?
Okay. In 3 minutes, I want to know how many kilograms. So if in 1 minute 6.9 kilograms, in 3 minutes,
In 3 minutes, we make 6.9
yes,
times 3
times 3, which is equal to
equals to 20.7.
7. Okay? Kilograms of pie filling in 3 minutes. Okay? Now, question number 8. Calculate, Malak read.
Calculate the diameter of circle of radius 2 centimeters.
Okay. What's the formula?
2 times
Times
pi.
pi. Pi is a constant which is equal to what?
3.14.
14. So we have 2 times. The radius is is, yes, so 2 centimeter times 3.14. So we need to find the answer of 4 times 3.14, which is equal to, Sharif,
6.28 centimeters.
are you sure? So let's calculate 3.14 times 4. 4 times 4 is what?
4 times 4 is 16.
Yes, 4 times 1.
4, 1, 5.
Yes. 4 times 3.
12.
12. How many decimal places?
2.
2. So the answer is 12.56 centimeters. Okay? Now part B.
Calculate the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD, where AB equals to CD equals to 4 centimeters and BC equals to AD equals to 2 centimeters.
Okay, Sharif, can you draw this? We have a rectangle which is
4 centimeters.
draw it here.
It should be 4 centimeters.
And here it should be, the width is,
2 centimeters.
yes.
So A,
Mm,
B.
yes.
We don't
Fine.
put CD here because they're saying here BC. So if we put the C and the D and B in the C, it would be AC and BC and BD.
Yes. Even if they didn't write
they-
this, I should name it starting from here, A, B, C, and D. Now AB is equal to CD is equal to 4 cm. We put the remarks. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Continue. BC is equal to segment.
2 centimeters.
Yes. 1. Yes. Okay. What's the parameter? What's the formula?
P equals to 2
Yes.
times parentheses
Yes.
L plus length plus width
Okay. So
equals
2.
to 4 plus 2
Yes.
equals to 6. So
2 times 6
equals to 12
12 centimeters.
meters.
Okay, Camel now. Part C. Calculate the parameter of the square ABCD where AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to.
Miss, Miss, all of it is Miss because they're all equal parts. We do
Sides.
equal sides. We do 4 times 4.
Yes. So first, can you draw the square?
Yes.
So in a square we have all the sides are equal. Okay. Name it. A. Where's A?
A,
Yes.
B,
B.
C, or D.
Okay, put the remarks. All the sides are equal. So this is equal to this. Yes. And they have a length of 4 centimeters. And the square corners are here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the formula is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 4 times
4 times 4.
4 times 4.
4 times 4. Yeah.
4
This will equal to 8 times 2, which is equal
4.
to
Miss, 4 times 4 equals 16 centimeters.
Why 4 times 8, miss?
8.
Ah, you said A. Yes. So A is any side, okay? This is the general formula. Okay? So the length of this side now is, in this question, what?
4 times 4.
Yes, it's 4. It's given 4. Okay? So correct, we have 16 centimeters. Let's move to question number 9. Find the LCM or the GCD of the following numbers without finding the divisors or the multiples. LCM of 16 and 4. Instead of writing 0, 4, 8, LCM of 16 and 4 is 16. Why?
Because
16 is a
multiple
of,
of 4.
yes, okay. So I could have written this for the multiples of 4 are 0, 4, 8, next 12, next 16, etc. And 16, the multiples are 0, 16, etc. We'll get the same answer. 16 is the least common multiple if you notice. But instead of doing this, I can directly write 16, okay? GCD, what's the GCD of 6 and 36?
6 and 36. The GCD is 36. I mean 6.
Yes.
Because 30 because 6
Is a,
is divisor
yes,
of 36.
yes. Also, miss,
Also,
here again, I could have written all the divisors of both numbers and find the greatest one, but instead of writing this, I can directly notice.
6 times 6 is 36.
Yes, okay. LCM of 5 and 25, Majid. No.
No.
5 is a multiple of 25.
No,
25 times what is 5?
Oh, yes.
So,
25.
what?
25.
25, since 25 is a multiple of 5. Now the last question. Find the LCM of 12 and 7. What are the multiples of 12, Jad?
0,
Yes.
12, 24,
Yes.
36,
Mm.
48, 16,
Mm.
72, 84,
Okay.
26.
Okay, etc. Multiples of 7.
0,
Hmm.
7, 14,
Yes.
21,
Yes.
28,
Okay.
34, 42, 49, 66, 62,
63.
63,
Yes. 7 times 10. 70.
70,
Times 11.
77,
Times 12.
80, 83,
84. Okay. Now the common multiples are 0 and 0.
84.
We have also
84 and 84.
84 and 84. The least common multiple which is not 0 is 84. Okay. Part B, find the GCD of 27 and 90. The divisors of 27 are, we always start by 1 and 27. Is 2? No, because it's not an even number. 3 and 9. Continue.
7 and 4.
7 and 4 is not 27. Just this. Okay? 7 times 4 is 20.
It's 21.
7 times 4?
28.
28. Okay? So we have only these divisors. Let's move to 90. We have 1 and 90. Continue. Muhammad Watfa, is 2 a divisor of 90? Because it's an even number. So 2 times what is 90? 2 times 45. Let's divide 90 by 2. 9 divided. 2 times. 2 times what is 9, or a number which is closest to the 9? Yes, 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract 1 and 0. Then 2 times what is 10? 5. So 5 times 2 is 10 and the remainder is 0. So, okay. Now continue. Is the 3 a divisor of 90? Yes, because 9 plus 0 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3, right? So 90 is divisible by 3. 3 times what is 90?
3 times 3 times 6. 3 times 6. 3 times 30.
Yes, is 90. 5. Yes, because 4 no. 5 yes, because we have a 0 in the ones place. 5 times what is 90?
5 times 25.
Let's do it. 90 divided by 5.
5 times 1.
Yes, so 5 times 1, we have 5 here. Subtract 4, we bring down the 0, we have 40. 5 times what is 40?
5 times 8.
Yes. So 0 the remainder. So 5 times 18 is 90. Okay? Now continue. 6. Why?
Yes, 6.
Let's do it. 90 divided by 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 9 minus 6, 3. We bring down the 0, 30. 5. So 6 is a divisor of 90, right? So 6 times what is 90? Yes. Continue. Is 9 a divisor of 90? 9 times what? Yes. 9, 10. Okay. 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. Yes. 14, no. 15. Okay. So the GCD, the common divisors are 1 and 1, 3 and 3, 9 and 9. Okay. The greatest common divisor is 9. The end. Good luck.